Tell us why you're here.
Well, we are responding to Commissioner Donlan's threat, where he very publicly announced that he would attempt to have the legislature overrule the courts in the Citizens Insurance case. The Citizens Insurance case is winding its way through its final court process. We've executed an order of seizure against the bank. That has been stayed temporarily. We expect within weeks that stay will be lifted. The funds will be delivered to the custody of the court. But in the meantime, there were several bills introduced in the legislature that we have been monitoring and that we've been effective in dealing with to prohibit those bills from taking away from the people the money that they won through the Louisiana Supreme Court.
How much money we're talking about?
The present judgment is for 18,573 claimants at $5,000 apiece. It's approximately $92.8 million, plus interest, which is now over $105 million.
Why does, in your opinion at least, why does Donlan, why is he trying to overturn the court decision?
My own opinion about that is that he and the Board of Citizens Insurance made some very poor decisions in the handling of this litigation to attempt to thwart what was the right of the policyholders to obtain timely claims adjustment. There were opportunities to settle this case on numerous occasions. Those opportunities to settle were thwarted by Citizens Board. On one occasion, their executives, their attorneys recommended to them a settlement that was the result of a mediated, out-of-court mediation agreement, which would have been a $50 million settlement for all claims and would have been payable over 18 months without an assessment to the policyholders, without further litigation, without further expense. And Mr. Donlan and the Board of Citizens Insurance Company passed on that opportunity. Thereafter, they have made several opportunities after we succeeded in the state Supreme Court, making offers that frankly were either unethical by tying those offers to quid pro quo for payment of attorney's fees, or were inadequate by offering substantially less than that which the courts had awarded. So my own belief about it is that their rationale for attempting these actions is an attempt to save face politically for Mr. Donlan.
When do you think the decision by the legislature might take place? Obviously, we were weeks away to the end.
So far, the several bills that were potentially harmful to the Citizens Insurance class action that the Oubre class represents, that we represent, is those bills have been either defeated or amended sufficiently to protect the class. There's one remaining bill, and that bill is still on the Senate calendar and subject to call at any time. And we believe that it will never be called off the calendar. And we frankly believe that when the session ends on June 4th, we will have successfully defeated any legislative effort to take away from the Citizens Insurance policyholders their right to the penalties.